Assalamualaikum dear PG fams. In this video, I would like to show you how to install your Notion digital planner once you purchase it from Productivity Girl Etsy. When you finish your purchase, you will be able to download a PDF which has a link to this planner. Let's click the link and open it. If you bought a dark mode digital planner, it may look different from the display, but this is because the Notion settings haven't been switched to dark mode. We can do it once we install this planner. But if you bought the regular light mode ones, it would look exactly the same as it is. Next, you want to click this duplicate button, which will copy this planner into your Notion account. If you haven't had a Notion account, you can first make one. I put the link in the description. Now the planner should be already in your account and it's ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this digital planner useful for you and may it bring barakah to your life. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Wassalamualaikum. See you in the next video.